Temperatures are set to top off in the mid-40s for this afternoon, making for a cool start to the month of April. Looks like things will be pretty quiet throughout today, but tomorrow a different story with the possibility of a wintry mix in the morning. That'll give way to a chance of severe storms as we move through the late afternoon and the evening hours. Then we should expect to see some quieter conditions settle in once again for Thursday and Friday in the approach to the weekend. There's the view outside in Grand Rapids right now, seeing sunny skies, and temperatures have climbed into the middle 30s coming off of our morning lows, which were in the teens and 20s. East-southeast winds are now sustained at 14 miles per hour. High pressure continues to circulate nearby, and again, that's providing us with some sunshine. However, as you move to the other side of Lake Michigan, you can already see that we have some thickening clouds and even a wintry mix as you move further west, closer toward Omaha. Let's get a look at our current temperatures now. You can find that those have risen above the freezing point throughout West Michigan. We have a temperature of 35 in Battle Creek, 40 for Muskegon. It is 38 degrees in South Haven and 37 in Fremont. As the wind flows through from the east, we have that sustained between about 5 and 15 miles per hour. The high this afternoon rising up to 44 degrees as cloud cover gradually filters in. We did have a confirmation of another tornado in association with Sunday's storms. That was confirmed in Newaygo County, as you can see east of Grant. We had that on the ground for a few minutes starting at 6:05 p.m. It was an EF0 tornado with 65 mile per hour max winds, and it had a path length near 3 miles with a maximum width of 50 yards. Thankfully, no deaths or injuries in association with that tornado, but there was damage to trees and a couple of utility towers in that path line. As we go through tomorrow, we'll have to stay on high alert once again for the possibility of seeing severe storms. Time frame for that, likely through the late afternoon and the evening period. As you can see to the south of I-96, an enhanced risk of severe storms, and then that risk will gradually decline as you move further north. But winds look to be the biggest issue in association with those storms once again, exceeding 60 miles per hour, and there could be a few spin-up tornadoes similar to what occurred on Sunday. So we will continue to watch that in the tracking center as that develops. There could be some pockets of heavy rain as well. The time frame between roughly 4 p.m. and 11 p.m. We'll go ahead and step through Futurecast. It shows that the clouds will be thickening up through this afternoon. As we approach midnight tonight, it'll be becoming colder outside. We'll see that flip over from rain into some snow showers for the first half of the day tomorrow. Then you can see that the warmer air is going to be surging in, and that's going to switch things over into liquid precipitation once more. Still some snow showers ongoing at 8 o'clock in the morning as you approach Greenville and Big Rapids. The rain will come down heavily at times as we step through the morning hours tomorrow, and then it looks like as we go through the afternoon, if we have some breaks in the cloud cover and some breaks in the rain, that's going to lend more energy for those storms to be able to fire up. But we will continue to watch as we get into tomorrow night. Still some ongoing severe thunderstorms possible getting closer toward the state line before things look to settle down into Thursday. To the north, there could be as much as 1 to 3 inches of snow, and we're also going to stack up a fair amount of liquid precipitation, rainfall between 1 and 2 inches, likely for Grand Rapids. Here's a look at your 8-day forecast. It's a busy one. Looks like we'll cool off a touch into the weekend with some more rain.